This is the one. Next, find the indices where the values are even. Even values I found. Find the values where the values are odd. This is a value called what? Odd elements are found. This is called what concept? Searching. Are you following me now? So here it is called what you know. One more concept is there. Filtering concept also I will send you students. Filtering concept also I will send you. Filter. So I will go to filtering. So here I will go to filtering concept also I will tell you. Into this, here I am going to apply filtering concept. Try to follow me carefully. Try to look at introduction to filtering the data. Filtering refers to what? Process of selecting subset of data that meets certain condition criteria where the larger data set is present. I'm having thousands and lakhs of values are available. I want to get some subset of values. So I will go for which concept? Filtering. So NumPy provides what? Vectorized filtering functions. Vectorized means what? We can apply directly on ND array, like n percentage to a percentage to is equal to 0, a percentage to not equal to 0, like that, and enable us to quickly filter values in an array based conditional logic without without a slow Python level looping. Actually, in Python, what we do? Loop you need to use. Looping is what? Slow in process. That's why to enhance that, what concept is coming? NumPy is coming. The main benefits of using filtering is what? One is a speed, one is a convenience, one more is what? Readability. If you want to write a loop, half of the people cannot write the loop. So for convenience and speed and everything, this is available. One is what? Filtering is done. One more is already done. That is called where. And there is one more called what? Extract. Actually, I can say filtering over and where is also over. One more is also there called what? Extract. So all these things you must know in the class. Already you understood what is where. You understood now? You got it. Next is called what? Filtering the data with that all those things. Now I am going to say multiple criteria. Multiple criteria means what I am applying? Bitwise or. Bitwise and also I applied. Bitwise or also I am applying. Next is called what? Extract new function. Already where you know now? Now today we are going to take it what? Extract. Extract function provides more direct way to filter arrays. So it selects elements based on condition and returns only those elements rather than new array with the same shape. I will go for the example directly. np.extract condition and you provide your input data. That is called ND array data. Here I am going to say this example extracts values greater than 2. Greater than 2. Import numpy as np. A is equal to np dot array of 1, 2, 3, 4. What elements I want to get it? More than 2 I want to get it. What is the more than 2? np dot extract a greater than 2. Which elements? From a elements. So I'm going to get it. First element will be supplied, which is a false, not selected. Second element, which is not selected. Projectors, okay. ఆగిపోతున్నాయి ఇవి ప్రొజెక్టర్స్ ఆగిపోతున్నాయి. అదే మీరేం చేయాలండి నేనేం చేయాలి? మేము పిలవాలండి వాళ్ళు నన్ను పిలిచారు, నేను మిమ్మల్ని పిలుస్తున్నాను. దే ఆర్ కాలింగ్ మీ, ఐఎమ్ కాలింగ్ యూ. So say that I don't have any problem with my things. Projector, if it is stopped, we'll call them. They will say current is stopping. So they have to call what? Electric people. So instead of that, if we wait for a few seconds, things will set right. Okay, now? Okay. Everything cool. Now, whenever I call, you come. Because they are calling me, I will call you. Okay, students? Come. Are you following me now? Okay. What is an output here? 3, 4. This is called what? Function. Extract. Next, one more is what? Conditional extraction. We pass more complex conditional test using what? Boolean operators. These are all very, very important. 1, 2, 3, 4. A less than 2, A greater than 3. What are the values I want? Less than 2, more than 3. Less than 2, what value? 1. More than 3, what value? 4. This is how I am mentioning the condition bitwise OR operator, not normal OR operator. This is I am passing. NP dot extract criteria. What is the criteria here? This conditional criteria. Pass it. Are you following me now? Come to the point of it. Practical examples and use cases. Now let's go to some practical example how where and extract can be filtered in the real world scenarios. But this I will tell you separately in the class. Today I want to tell you only the concept of how where will work, how Boolean array will work out. Sometimes we are going to get it. Missing data also will be coming. Missing data. Missing data means what? Suppose I am collecting all the students' data of births. Data of births I am going to collect. All the students' data of births I am going to collect. I am collecting all the students' data of birth. One student forget the data of birth. So there I need to mention what? NP dot. There is a example, there is a data type or there is a value to represent nothing in NumPy. In Python, how do you represent the value which is nothing? How do you represent the value which is nothing? None. None data type. Already explained. Already explained. None is a data type in where? Python. That is representing nothing. When you come to NumPy, NP dot, we are writing NAN. NAN stands for your favorite answer, not a number. Not a number. I think you are following me. Not a number. That indicates it is a missing value. It is a missing value. Like that, I can represent wherever you don't know the value of it. We are using NaN. We are using so many number of project case study also. I am going to use NaN. This will come in pandas also. There you will get it what? In pandas level, you will get n by a also you will get it. N by a. What is n by a? Not applicable. These are all called representing which values? Missing values. So this part, if you look at, come to the point of it, working with which data? Missing data. It is a common missing value. It is a common to encounter missing values in encoded NaN or none in real world data sets. None represents which notation? Waste. So go to the Python here. Data types. Already explained. Data types. Go to the data types. Last one is called what? None type. Already explained. In Python classes, already explained. If you keep it question mark, it is a problem for me. It is not a spoon feeding like a Python class. Already you know that. In NumPy, what is the representation for missing value? None. What is the Python level? None is nothing. None is not a false. None is not a space. None is not a zero. None is not a space. Already explained, no? There is nothing but a missing value only, no? In NumPy, what is the value? None. We can use filtering to remove and replace these missing values. How can I miss these values? NP dot, this is my data with missing data. I am writing where I am going to use it. NP dot where, if data is equal to none, if data is going to contain any none value, that none value can be replaced with what? 0. In which place? Data place I am going to write what? 0. So this is another variety of where function I am using. Wherever data is going to become none, that none place what we are going to write it? 0. In which place? In data place. So in this case, you try to do it. 1 is equal to none. No, not replaced with 0. 2 is equal to none. No, none is equal to none. 2. That none is replaced with what? With in the data. 3 is equal to none. False, not replacing. 4 is equal to none. False, not replacing. So finally, what is happening? 1, 2. In the place of none, what is placed? 0 and 3, 4 as it is here. I think you are following me now. Next step. Okay. Now you are getting another way. I want to get those values except missing values. I want to get those values without. I want to take the students who has given the data of births. I don't want to get the students who did not give the data of births. How do you write it? NP dot extract data not equal to what? None. And what is that? Data. So take the data. 1 not equal to none. 2. Get 1. Next. Get what? 2. 2 not equal to none. 2. ఏం చెప్పట్లే నువ్వుతో స్టాచ్యూలో కూర్చున్నావు. స్టాండప్. యూ ఓన్లీ. డిఫరెంట్ బ్యాచా? బటన్ పెట్టుకో ఫస్ట్. బ్యాక్ కింద పెట్టు. నో లిసన్. 1 not equal to none. Answer tell me. 1 not equal to none. 1 not equal to none. తెలియదా? 1 not equal to none. True na false? True. Selected. 2 not equal to none. False. True కదా? వాళ్ళు చెప్తున్నారు అక్కడ పక్కన. నెక్స్ట్ లాస్ట్. నన్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు నన్. థర్డ్ వన్. నన్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు నన్. ఫాల్స్. ఫాల్సా? జాగ్రత్తగా విను ఒకసారి. సో నన్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు నన్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వాట్? False. False means it is not selected. 3 and 4 not equal to none. 3 and 4 is selected. What is the value I am extracting? Not equal to none values. That is nothing but not missing values. I am getting what? Values which are available. These things are very, very useful. So where is where is used? Where is not only used to extract the data, where is used to what? Replace the missing values with our own values. And extract is for what? Same. Extracting the data. I think you are following me. This is called what? Working with missing data in NumPy. You will get all these things in very, very important project level. I need not to tell you all these things. Simply I can go for what? Passing Boolean data and it is over, I can say. But I don't want to go for it. What is this now? NumPy dot where condition. Now here I am writing, here I am writing, here I am writing, comma. What I am writing? X, comma, Y. What is this X? Value which you are interested to store, and what is this Y? ND array. So here I will write it ND array object, and this is the value to be placed. Value this is. How this is working? Second variety, how this is working? If the test condition is true, what is happening? This value substituted in the ND array object, whatever the value substituted, it is placed. One more time I will show you here. Here you see where this is my data. How many missing values are there here? Come on. One. Come on, start with ND array. It is going to be a vector based operation. First value in the data. 1. 1 is equal to none. That means no 0 substituted in the data. Second, 2 is equal to none. False. No 0 substituted. None is equal to none. True. True means what? Substituted 0 in the none place in the data place. Are you following me? Next 3 and 4 is equal to none. False, not substituted. That means 1, 2 in the none place what is substituted, and then 3, 4 is done here. Getting up? These are very, very important. See students, without telling also you can move forward. But why I am telling all these things you can understand. One more is called what now? NumPy dot extract. NumPy dot extract. What I am passing? Test condition, and the next is what? Test condition and ND array object. What is the difference between ND array extract and where? Where will give you indices, and where can replace the missing values, our own values in the ND array. Searching and replacing. And what about this will give you? This will give you what? Direct output will be coming. Okay now. So how many methodologies are there to search my data? 3. One is Boolean array concept. One is where with 2 methodologies. One is extract. Extract. I can tell Boolean array and I can say it is over. But tomorrow if I go to somewhere else, I will ask compulsory extract. If I am taking an interview directly, I will ask the extract and done. If I am taking an interview directly, I will ask you, tell me the 2 syntaxes of where in NumPy I will say. Direct point of time I will ask you. Even though you listen, if you don't know the syntaxes problem, na, let us carry this. Online students, are you following me? Are you following me? Aditya, direct HD cinema, sir. Okay. Come on. Are you understanding this? First of all, this concept, quick response. Quick response is required. So 315 students need to respond, everybody. Let us go to this part. Already you have seen. Now I'm entering to this part here. This part. Now go to this place. Take this data here. Take this data. Are you feeling difficult? Feeling difficult? No. So if you feel difficult, try to take up to here only. మీకు ఎంతవరకు చాతర అవుతే అంతవరకు వెళ్ళి నేర్చుకోండి. ఇఫ్ యువర్ కెపాసిటీ is up to first one, you listen that. Second and third, you just do meditation. Your capacity is up to second also, learn it. And third, not able to understand, take the rest. If your capacity is so high, learn all of them. Okay, now let us move to the further. Here I am going to take it. What is this now? What is this now? Working with missing data. Working with missing data, which is represented with np dot what, nan, or what, none, or with none. So here I represented what, none. What is the none actually? Keyword treated as a value of which type? None type. Go to Python, check చేసుకోండి ఒకసారి. None. Print of a comma type of a. Type of a. What is the type? None type. None is a keyword. Import keyword as k dot kw list. K dot kw list. So in the keywords list, what is available? None is available. These are all things you have done in the childhood days only. Right or not? Yes. Come on to this place. Now I'm going to say replace the missing data. Here I'm going to write it. Replace the missing data. So try to print. This is my given data here. Print this now. Given data. Given data I'm printing. Print of this data here. Print of this data. And replace the missing data with a 0. Replace the missing data with your own values. Now after that, now I'm getting print of given data. Given data. That is called replaced with replaced missing data with 0. Replaced missing data with 0. So print this now. Print of what data you say. So you are going to get it. You are going to get it. This data you are going to get it. Here what value is coming? Value is going to come. Value is going to come. It is going to be the value available. Here you are going to get this data. In this place you are going to get it. The value is going to get it. np dot output is going to be like this. It is showing. So if you follow me in this place, here you need to write it. Here you need to write it. The value which is printing none only, it is printing here. Which is placed with what? Data. Which is placed with the data here. So you need to write left side down. So it is going to be like this. Yes. So you need to go for what? Replacing the data up. Take the data into where? Data there and print the data. Are you getting or not? This is an output you are getting. Are you following me? Right. So I write here also data is equal to. Next, filtering what values? Missing values. Filtering the missing values. Now I'm going to get it. Filtering the missing values I'm taking here. Online students. So go to that filtering of it. Take the same data. Here I'm going to get it. Here I'm going to get it. Here also I'm getting. Filtering missing values. Working with a missing data represented with a NUMPY or something. Given data. After this, print the data once. Print the data once. Data without missing values. Data without missing values. Missing values. So print this data. What is happening? Still none is coming. What should I do now? I will write here called what? Data. So try to print it. Am I getting or not? But none value is missing. Are you able to follow now? So there also I need to write here what? Data is equal to. Now you are getting it. So this represents what concept? How to find the missing values. So what the question is coming? How the missing value represented in NumPy? How many constant values? Two constant values. One is called what? Nan. One more is none. Nan and none. None is which type? None type. Nan is which type? Nan is which type? It is not a none type or nan type. It is called float type. It is a float type that I will explain separately for you because already you are in tension mood. Sorry, saying something you are not understanding. No problem because you are understanding at this stage multiple approaches. Type of NP dot NAN because I don't want to say multiple things in a single day, which is called what type? Float type. Generally, you take any student outside who is doing data science, what is none? He will say none hunted. What is none? You will none. You don't know even none type. None is what type? 0.0 is internally taken, but it is not 0.0, it's a float type only. Remember this. What is the type of none? None type. Already printed now. What is the type of none? None type. NP dot no. It is none only. It is called what? Dot నేను చూసుకుంటా కానీ మీరు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. What is the type? None type. None type. NP dot nan. NP dot nan. Come on. Low type. Are you following me? Like that in pandas also there is a NA. NA. That is called not applicable. Not applicable means what? That is also missing value. There is a lot of things in the EDA project level I will tell you. Right now, don't worry about it. So my entire overall conclusion is how many ways are there to search my data? How many ways are there to search my data? I want the answer from you. Number one, by using Boolean array, and passing Boolean array to ND array object so that we can filter the data. This is number one. Number two, come on, by using NumPy dot where this is going to give you what? Indices. It is not going to, this syntax is going to be called what? Condition. Test condition. Test condition. If multiple conditions are there, you will use what? Bitwise operators. Correct? Bitwise operators. One more condition is what ma? NumPy dot where, what is this now? Test condition, value, and ND array object. ND array object. This is also going to give you what? Working with which values? Missing values replacing. Working with missing values and replacing, replacing, replacing which values? Missing values with our own values. Our own values when condition is satisfied. Are you following me? Right. One more is called what? Third one is called what? By using NumPy dot extract, extract of what? Test condition. Test condition. Are you following me? This is also going to be called as this one. These many ways are there to get the data. Are you following me now? Right. So your this I will post it, students. This I will post it. Missing data also I will say. There is also cleaning the data also will be there. Cleaning data. Cleaning data is nothing but what? An example here. Data cleaning. Filtering functions enabling removing unwanted outliers. Slowly come to some advanced part. Forget about that. Read out first. What is my given data? 15 years, 99 years, 87 years, 21 years, 67 years. 67 years. Remove the invalid ages. Remove the invalid ages. So they are taking extract. What is the condition there? Ages which are less than what? 90. Ages which are less than what? Remove the invalid ages. So ages which are less than that. What is happening? Ages. I'm going to get the values which are less than 90. Each value of ages means this is an ND array. Passing to this condition, First one is what? 15 less than 90. True. Keep it in that. Next 99 less than this one. False. Next 87. True. Also next 20, 21. True. 67. This is nothing but what? They are going to get it. Ages less than 90. Are you getting the ages or not? Simple. There are so many number of ages are there. I want to get those ages which are less than or equal to so and so age. Are you following me? So let us take one example on this kind of thing. Let us go to the place. Here I am going to take it. Take one example. Examples on which function? Extract. NumPy dot. Extract of. What is this? Test condition. Test condition and ND array object. ND array object. Okay. Create one object. A is equal to np dot random of random of randint of. I'm going to take it some 20 comma 40. 20 comma 40. Size is equal to something like 24. Size is equal to 24. So print of a instead of 24 I'll say 14. 5 more number of values. So I'm writing a. These are my values or not? So I want to get it. If I run once again, these values will be coming. If I run once again, these values will be coming. You want to take something like a 2 comma more span. If you want, you can take like this. Tell me, I want to get the values which are more than 20. Which are more than 20. Through what function? Extract function. Come on. Get get the values. Get the values which are more than 20. More than 20. Come on. More than 20. More than 20 is equal to, come on, np dot extract, extract, come on, a greater than 20, comma, a, a. Are you following? So, చూసుకోండి ఇక్కడ ND array object A, condition is called like this. I want to get the values which are more than this. These are my values. What values are coming, you see. So I'm going to say what? More than 20. More than 20. Am I getting the values more than 20 or not? 59 got it. 23 got it. 38 got it. 26 got it. 32 got it. Getting my point? Less than that I want to get it. Less than that I want to get it. So here I will get it. Less than 20 I want to get it. Less than or equal to 20 I want to get it. Less than 20. I can write less than 20. So here I will write it less than 20. So I'll get the same output. Are you getting? Dear students, you can call in this place one function also you can call. One function also you can call. This is called what condition? Test condition. Test condition gives you either a true or you can call one function also. You can call one function also. Okay now? So returning true or false. Returning true or false. Because in this case, wherever true and false is coming, you can use one function also you can call. So you can write it if you want like this. So take it one example. Along with this, you take one function d of more 20. More 20. Now I'm taking n. What I'm going to do? What I'm going to do? If n greater than what? 20. N greater than 20, or I will write it res, res, I will write is equal to, res is equal to true if n greater than what? 20, else what? False. Return what? True. Return res. ఇదే టర్నరీ ఆపరేటర్ అంటారు పైథాన్ లో. ఏమీ లేకుండా వచ్చి నా ఎదురు కూర్చుంటే ఏం రాదు. యూ హావ్ టు రీచ్ టు సర్టన్ స్టేజ్. This is called a ternary operator. Okay. My function is completed. This is my function. Understand? If you want to test it, more 20, more 20 of what? 20. If I say 20, 20, exactly 20. What is the answer? False. because I am using what greater than. If I use it to 21, if I use it 21, what is coming? Like that, I am going to use it. Come on here. Get the values more than this. I'm going to get it. I will call it as what here? More 20. I am passing. More 20, I am going to get it. What are the values are getting? In this case, more 20. What are the values which are available? First of all, A you try to take it. Print of A. ఇక్కడ ఏ ప్రింట్ చేసుకొని చూసుకుందాం. First you check the value of A. What are the values? These are the values which we are having. More 20 you need to take it. More 20 you need to take it. Come on to the function here. What is this now? More than 20 is equal to np dot extract of, what is the function name? More 20. More 20 you are passing. Comma, what you are saying now? What you are saying now? A. A you are supposed to pass it, I think so. A. A. So I think go to more than 20. More than 20. If you feel it is a very complicated, you can leave it. What is coming here? Only this wrong answer is coming. Hmm? More 20, which is giving you what? Actually 11 is coming. More 20 is called function name here. N you are supposed to pass it. So there you are getting only one time the value is passing, that or wrong answer is coming. Okay. Need to pass the values. Separately, you need to pass these values. I hope so. Okay. So let it be. You can remove this. It's not working at this stage. So already output is available. So nothing to worry about it. Are you okay now? So this you take care. If you want that, I will use in extract. Enhanced for loop I can use. I can sort it out that. But with this, you can take this. More than 20 values coming. Less than 20 values is coming. Are you able to follow now? So now I will go to this one and reducing the memory usage. I'm talking about the memory usage in this case. Small example. Since extract returns only what elements? Filtered elements. It can reduce what? Memory usage. Compared to what? Where? When filtering what arrays? Large arrays. So where it is giving you, why where is taking more memory space? Because where is giving what? Indices. Indices it is giving. But extract will give you what? Required outputs are giving without considering about its things. I'm talking about some memory point of view I'm talking. If you like it, you follow that. Otherwise, you cannot go for it. So extract is useful for extracting relatively small number of values from which array? Large arrays. So if you want to go for where, you can use it. Indices will come and here direct output will come. So big array, np dot random of this many values. Lots of memory used to store full array. np dot array, big array, less than 1.0, big array with none. Any value which is less than 0.1, you are going to substitute with what value? None value you are going to substitute. None value you are going to substitute. Here you are going to write it. Big underscore array. Big underscore array. None you are going to. Less than 0.1. It is going to give you what? None you substitute. And less memory space extracted. Big array values you are taking less than 1. Definitely compared to filtered one and extracted one. Extracted one will contain which memory? Less memory space compared to the filtered one. So this is a memory usage comparison is taken place. So if you feel burden for it, you can go for what? Data cleaning you can take, missing values you can take with what functions here? Where and extract. So I hope that it is more clear about in today's about how to extract the data. The overall conclusion in a simple spoon feeding form is how to go for filter the data or search the data or conditional searching elements. How many ways? Number one, pass the Boolean array and the array. That is number one. Up to certain stage only it will work. Next is what? Where. It is also giving indices and want to substitute the missing value with our own data. This is really important. And extract also is very important here. These things you have to remember. Very, very important. Regularly asking question. Okay now? Confused now? Say. No, boys. Almost you are not speaking like yesterday girls. Are you girls? Are you following me? But not speaking like boys. Are you boys? Then speak out. Are you following me? Right. So online students, I hope did not confuse you because I am trying to tell more deep of it. Don't feel that is a burden. It is your responsibility to remember everything. If you say, sir, teach only upper part, which never become a developer. Let me teach more deeper. Okay now? So welcome it and don't try to feel burden. Try to practice and come. Python is very important here. Okay now? So, and one more thing. Today, 4 p.m. new full stack Python batch is starting. Any friends or relatives are there, you can intimate. Okay. Thank you. So, okay, ma, I will send you the notes today afternoon by 1 o'clock. I will send you the two zip files for you to try to use it. Thank you. Carry on. All the best. 4 p.m. new batch is there. Any friends are there, you can intimate. Okay, ma, you can carry on. All the best. I'll post these notes for you people. Any doubts are there for online students, you can hold on. I'll communicate with you. Online students, am I audible to you? Come on. Any doubts are there? You can raise your hands. Hari Krishna. Notes is there. Notes is there in our Google Drive, ma. Google Drive class link is there. I think so. Hari Krishna. In that, our notes will be coming today. Today, I will keep my complete Python notes, my dear student. You try to take it and download and take everything. Hari Krishna, I don't have the notes link, ma. Actually, notes link was there with admin. So I will ask any student. Online students, admin, you know, na? Admin number, you know, Hari Krishna. Hari Krishna, do you know admin number? Admin number, you know? Yes. You contact him once, they will check your payment receipt and all, and they will give you. They will check your payment details and they will give you. Right. Okay. Srivastav. Okay. Done. But let the payment details of Hari Krishna to be checked by the admin so that they will get it. Right. So, Karthik, when my Django batch will start, I will tell you, ma. I'll tell you compulsory. Right. Any more doubts of current subject, NumPy pandas? You can ask me. I'll clarify the doubts. So no doubts, sir. So no more hand raising symbols are there. So I will go for